Look at that. Perfect. All right, so you guys are probably wondering, where are we going? The answer is nowhere. We're actually just gonna be going into the shop to do something on a Bobcat there, change a cutting edge. This is for tomorrow. We're gonna be heading up to another site tomorrow to work on putting in some patio door entrances, basically, some walkways. So getting this all ready for tomorrow morning. But right now we're gonna go into the shop and put in a cutting edge. Someone happens to have toes under here. Trying to focus on keeping them. That's it. Just walk away now. New blade on. All right, so we've kept the old bolts. So I don't know. We managed to salvage them off the cutting edge that was on here. I'm gonna attempt to put these guys back on. It's not gonna be as smooth as nice new shiny ones, but as long as these ones hold, at least for one more time, that'd be great. So salvage wherever you can. We're gonna try that out. A wise man once said, work with your head, not with your back. Of course, I got two of them, they're both stuck on here. So I will loosen these up the way I can. Oh, come on. Got it. There you go, just like that. New cutting edge on. Gonna go through all of them once. Make sure they're tight all the way. And there you go. So that's it. New cutting edge. We managed to reuse these bolts. Hopefully they last the whole time. If they do, that's perfect. Got another use of the bolts before we have to go ahead and put new ones. And that's all there is to it. Now once we're worn down, take it off, flip it over. It's good for two uses. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and take care.